Good morning. It's Wednesday. Oh, yay, the middle of the week at last. This week has been pretty hectic. So yesterday's shenanigans was the sewer lines getting all stopped up and pushing up water into the basement. That was fun. So the plumbers came out and had to remount the main sewer drain, I think. I don't know anything really about plumbing. I know water go down the hole. But supposedly trees and bushes and other roots can get into your sewer line. Run, squirrely, run! There he goes. So roots can get into your sewer line. That sounds like a really bad thing to me. Doesn't that mean that the roots are poking holes into your pipes? And if they're poking holes in the pipes and getting into the pipes, does it mean that they're damaging the pipes? And wouldn't you have to replace those pipes? I'm confused. But apparently it's a common thing, and you have to do it every couple of years. Especially when you live someplace like we do, with lots of trees and lots of bushes and lots of greenery. So I guess there's some downsides of having greenery, but I would much rather have more of it than not. So, if you live like in the desert and you don't have any yard, you probably don't have to get your roots reamed out of your sewer pipes. But, we have trees, and we have large bushes. Big, giant honeysuckle bushes that are, like, taller than me. It's not hard to do, I'm pretty short. Yeah, so that, I really don't know what the, home warranty insurance covered of it, because we had to pay almost $200 to get that done, and supposedly that was their normal rate. So I'm like, well, if I'm paying your normal rate, then what the hell did the insurance pay for? Like, why is the insurance not covering at least part of this? Whatever. So, probably have to get that done again in a couple years. And today, a little minor thing, the nozzle, the turn knob on the bathroom sink was turned too far. It's fairly common, it's pretty easy to fix. My boyfriend fixed it in like 5 minutes. It's not a big deal, it's just kind of weird and annoying that everything's freaking happening all at the same damn time. Stop it! Anyway, I took a quick little video, I'll put it in right here. So, that's what that looked like this morning. It's better now. And today is the repair person for the washing machine. I don't think the washing machine can be repaired. Our clothes washer, it's busted. The basket on the inside that, you know, shooshes your clothes around, has a big plastic ring around the top of it, and that big plastic ring, like, broke in half and just popped off. I don't know what that plastic ring does. I don't know the mechanics of clothes washers, but it's not good. It's not working very well, and we ended up with some water on the floor because of that a few days ago. And been having to hand wash clothes for past few days, which is making me later in the morning because I have to wash some clothes for the day and then drop them in the dryer. The dryer still works, so that's good. Yeah, so the guy is coming out today to look at that. Hopefully we can get a new washer, I'm guessing. I want one that's quiet and energy efficient. And I looked online, and apparently I could get a brand freaking new one at like Sears for like $250. So I'm hoping that now those are like the low end cheap ass shit. So I'm hoping that with the warranty insurance, we might be able to get something nice for less than that. Because maybe they'll cover a portion, and then we'll cover a portion, and then we'll get a nice washing machine. But we will see. I don't know how that's gonna happen, because the guy is supposed to call me when he's like half an hour away. All I know is it's supposed to be today. I don't know what time, I don't know if it's gonna be in the morning or if it's gonna be in the afternoon. It's just today. That's helpful. So, we will see how that goes, and if it doesn't happen today, I might have to take some laundry down to my mom's house. Hey Mom, I might be visiting. We'll find out. But anyway, I'm at work now, so, okay, thanks, bye!